Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about a brand new topic. They'll call the relative clause. And it sounds like a very confusing topic, but it's actually not that bad. So let's talk about what they are in English before we jump into what they are in Latin. My definition of a relative clause is just any type of clause that starts with a relative pronoun. But that leads to another question. What is a relative pronoun? Because unless you know what a relative pronoun is, how would you be able to recognize a relative clause? The relative pronouns are that, who, whose, which, and whom. So let's see what they look like in English. Here are my examples of two sentences that have a relative clause. My first one, Casey, who stole my snacks, is over there. My relative clause is who stole my snacks? Because I have two types of sentences here. I have Casey is over there. So I had the idea that Casey is over there. And which Casey am I talking about? The one who stole my snacks. I can even replace the word who, or my relative pronoun, with my subject here, Casey, and it will still make sense with Casey stole my snacks. Let's look at the next one. Casey ate the snacks which she stole from me. My relative pronoun is which, and which she stole from me is my relative clause, because I have two sentences. I have Casey ate the snacks, and then if I replace the word snacks with which, I can say the snacks she stole from me. So this might be a little bit complicated. Who, which, but I think in Latin it's actually much easier because in English we have like 5 or 6 words, the who, which, that, which are relative pronouns. But in Latin, it's one word that has been declined out. So let's take a look at it. So let's look at this chart. It is all the same word. It is a form of qui, quae, quod. Qui being the masculine, quae being the feminine, and quod being the neuter. So if you want to save yourself some time, I would definitely write these down so you don't forget them. So the important thing you want to notice is, besides the fact that most of them all start with a QU, so if you see a QU word, you can have an idea that this is a relative pronoun, thus starting a relative clause. Please take a note that the genitive, singular, and the dative do not start with a Q, but change to a C. Why? I'm not particularly sure myself, but that's the way it is.